Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We will going to discuss about Jainism. I am going to explain some important points which is going to helpful for the competitive examinations from the Jainism. Origin of Jainism. Jainism is one of the oldest religions of India. There are 24 Tirthankars. The first one Tirthankara was Rishabhanada, 23rd Tirthankara was Parshvanada, and 24th Tirthankara was Mahavira. Let me know about Mahavira. Mahavira was born in 540 BC in Kundagrama. His father Siddhartha, head of Gnatrika clan, mother Trishala, sister of King Chetaka. He left the home at the age of 30, attained the Kaivalya Gnana at the age of 42, Nirvana, which is death, at the age of 72 in Pavapuri, preached in Prakrit language. This is all about him. He was born in 540 BC in Kundagrama, and his father Siddhartha, head of Gnatika clan, and mother was Trishala, sister of King Chetaka. He left the home at the age of 30 and attained the Kaivalya Gnana at the age of 42. Nirvana means death at the age of 72 in Pavapuri. He preached in Prakrit language. There are three jewels in Jainism which are called as Triratnas: right knowledge, also known as Samyak Gnana; right faith, Samyak Darshana; right conduct, Samyak Charitra. These are considered as path to the liberation. There are five great O's or principles in the Jainism. The first one is Ahimsa, which is non-violence, and the second one is Satya, which means truth, telling truth. Asteya means no stealing. Aparigraha, no property or non-possession. Brahmacharya means celibacy. Among these five, Ahimsa is the most important principle in the Jainism. The Jainism is divided into two categories: Digambara and Svetambara. Digambara, also called sky clad, believe in complete renunciation. Svetambara, white clad, believe in wearing white clothes. The main difference in both of them is dress and scriptures and practices. They are divided by because reduced unity among the followers. The philosophy of Jainism include Shyadvada, Anekanantavada, Jiva, and Ajiva. Shyadvada, the theory of conditional relativity. It tells about the truth has many aspects. Anekanantavada, reality is complex, truth has multiple sides. Jiva, which means living beings, and Ajiva means non-living things, are the two fundamental categories. These are the philosophies of Jainism. Jain literature is divided into two categories: Agama literature and second one is non-Agama literature. The Agama literature is the sacred literature. The non-Agama literature, which is the commentaries and the explanations of Agamas and works of scholars and asides. Agama literatures having the 12 Angas, 12 Upangas, 10 Prakaranas, 6 Cheda Sutras, 4 Mula Sutras. And non-Agama literature, major works of Bhadrabahu, Kunda, Umaswati, Hemachandra. Famous Jain monuments include Kandagiri and Udayagiri caves, Odisha; Dilwara temples from Rajasthan; Ranakpur temple, Rajasthan; Shravana-Belgola, Gomateshwara statue, and many temples, caves, and stupas built by the Jains. There are mainly two councils are held at Pataliputra and Vallabhi. The first council in between 322 to 298 BC. The leader was Stulabhadra. 12 Angas were compiled. The second council in the year of 512 AD. Place was Vallabhi. The leader is Devardi Kshamasharmana. 12 Angas and 12 Upangas were created in the second council. Contributions of the Jainism: peace and non-violence, spirituality and ethics, development of Prakrit language and literature, promotion of education and art, great examples of sculptures and architecture. Spread of Jainism gained support from kings, merchants, and common people, so it is spread to many parts of India, mainly Magadha, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kalinga, etc. Decline of Jainism: mainly lack of royal patronage, which means kings adapt other religions like Buddhism, so it leads to decline. Easy of living of monks led to decline in discipline. Philosophy was difficult for common people and division into sects. These all are made decline of Jainism. Important facts about Jainism: Sallekana or Santara, fasting unto death, which means one who takes as a vrata to fast to unto death. Jainism is one of the Shramana traditions. They are preached in Prakrit language, strongly believes in Ahimsa. The symbol of Jainism is swastika. Jainism. Jainism is the one of the oldest religions of the India. The first Tirthankara was Rishabhanatha and 23rd Tirthankara was Pashvanatha. 24th Tirthankara was Mahavir. He was born in Kundagrama in 540 BC. His father was Siddhartha and his mother was Trishala. He left home at the age of 30 and he attained the Kaivalya Gnana at the age of 42. Nirvana, which means death at the age of 72 at Pavapuri. He preached in the Prakrit language. The three jewels, which are known as Triratnas, right knowledge, right faith, and right conduct. The core principles of Jainism is Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha, Brahmacharya. Jainism is divided into two sects, mainly Digambara and Svetambara. Digambara believes in complete renunciation, and Svetambara believes in wearing white cloths. Philosophy: Shadvada. Shadvada tells the truth has many aspects. Anekananta Vada. Reality is complex, so it has multiple sides. Jiva and Ajvika, which is living and non-living things. These all are about Jainism philosophy. And the architecture: Kandagiri and Udayagiri caves from Odisha, Dilwara temples from Rajasthan, Ranakpur temples from Rajasthan, Shravana-Belgola, Gomateshwar statue, many caves and temples, stupas built by the Jains. Jain councils. There are two major Jain councils held in between the 320 to 298 BC. Leader was Subhadrabahu. 12 Angas were compiled. Second Council at Vallabhi. Leader was Devardi Kshama Sharma. 12 Angas and 12 Upangas were created. Jain literature. It is divided into two types: Agama literatures, which is sacred, and non-Agama literatures, which are commentaries, explanations, and also on spread of ethics, development of education and arts, sculptures, architectures, development of Prakrit language, and so on. Spread of Jainism. They got support from the kings, merchants, and common people. Spread from many parts of the India, mainly Magadha, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kalinga, etc. Decline of Jainism. Lack of king patronage means king the kings adopt the other religions. Lack of disciplines among the monks. Difficulty to follow the rules for the common people, etc.